It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, December 12th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry through the weekend. Little rain early next week. And what about the week of Christmas? Do we have any idea? Well, we do, and we'll talk about that. Let's take a look at the big picture this morning, the water vapor satellite view across the country. Pretty energetic, a big trough in the northeast, a big trough on the west coast. But for us, we have that dry, stable, cool, northerly flow aloft, and we're starting off the day below freezing in most places, as cold as 23 in Fort Payne at daybreak. Birmingham at 30, Tuscaloosa a little above freezing at 34, but everybody should rise into the mid to upper 50s today. That is right at seasonal averages for mid-December. Around the nation, no harshly cold air for this time of the year. I'd say those numbers are pretty close to average levels. Most of the active weather continues out west. We have winter storm warnings for the mountains of California and Nevada. Some flooding problems for parts of central and southern California. Heavy rain falling around Los Angeles this morning. Some fog issues for parts of the western high plains, and that's about it. Things are pretty quiet. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through early Wednesday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts here of really a quarter inch or less. And the bulk of those showers will come Monday night. All right, let's dig into this and see what we got. The old GFS, valid today at noon. This is the 06Z run, upper low over Maine, a trough on the west coast. And down below that, we're in great shape. Sunny today. Will be in the mid to upper 50s today. The GFS printing a high of 56. Tomorrow as the weekend begins. Now, it's going to be cold in the morning to start the day. Again, we could see another light freeze. Lows probably low 30s tomorrow, but we climb up into the low 60s tomorrow afternoon. The sky bright and sunny, and that'll feel pretty good. Sunday, I think we start the day down in the upper 30s, the high in the low and mid 60s. A fine day, and then this is Monday of next week. You can see shortwave energy over Missouri. There is a surface low underneath that south of Des Moines, Iowa, with a batch of showers through Memphis, the Mississippi Delta, down to about Lake Charles. And those will likely move into northwest Alabama sometime Monday afternoon. And this is Monday night at midnight, a weakening band of showers passing through. Limited moisture. The dynamics support pretty far north. Obviously, for now, it doesn't look like a big rain event. Probably no thunder and certainly no severe weather. 1,002 millibar low north of the state, approaching Milwaukee. This is Tuesday. The surface low is over Lake Michigan. The showers well to the east of the state, at least our part of the state, and the sky should become partly sunny. And there's no really cold air involved here. Monday, we should be in the upper 60s. Tuesday, the high back around 60. Wednesday of next week should be a nice day. The sky's sunny, the high in the low 60s. And this is Thursday, low and mid 60s. Very comfortable. Now, this is a week from today. This is Friday, December 19th. We note that strong energy over West Texas. Down below that, a surface low is near Wichita Falls, Texas, with showers and storms developing with that. We might see a shower by Friday, but the next day, Saturday, December 20th, will likely be the main rain day. And we've seen all kind of different looks in terms of the placement of the surface low and all this. Now, this run has the surface low east of Chicago, with a band of showers and storms down through here. This is the European version. It's got the surface low near Paducah, Kentucky. And maybe some strong storms over the southern half of the state. There's no way to resolve this. This is just beyond 7 days, 8 days away, but the confidence is very high the event will happen. But will there be strong storms, maybe severe weather? We don't know that yet. We'll just have to wait and see. This look would suggest the better instability would be down over the southern part of the state, but this is the tornado season, so something to keep an eye on. But clearly that looks like a pretty good rain event as that weekend begins around Saturday the 20th. All right, Christmas fans, here we go, December 24th, Christmas Eve. And now that said, hey, if you like cold air, that's an encouraging look. Western Ridge, Eastern Trough, and come on now. Got a surface low pulling out of the Gulf, a rain event for most of the state with maybe a few snowflakes in the northern periphery of this, but understand, what I show you later today on the 12Z run probably dry as a bone. So don't get too excited. And then on Christmas Day, Thursday, December 25th, that storm is moving off the eastern seaboard, and we're just kind of cool and dry, if this happens to be correct. December 27th, ridging over the central U.S., and again, that would just be cool and dry and seasonal. Temperatures coming off the ensembles, again, highs mostly in the 50s, lows mostly in the 30s, and by golly, that's average for December. Arctic Oscillation stays positive. North Atlantic Oscillation stays positive. And understand, it can get cold with that, but it's just harder for that to happen. All right, that's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.